Every year, teachers and the district renegotiate teacher contracts. This includes their salaries, benefits, and cost of living expense raises. However, this year, talks have been stalled, as the teachers are unhappy with the lowered cost of living raises being offered by the district, as well as the lack of transparency from the district's negotiating team. Many Fountain Valley High School teachers attended a recent district community meeting, along with other teachers in the Huntington Beach Union High School District, to voice their grievances at the current state of their contracts.
We, the teachers, are not being greedy. Okay, we are invested in our schools and our students and are not interested in bankrupting this district. Okay, we just want to be fairly compensated for the tremendous amount of work that we do each and every day, both on and off that proverbial clock.
If there was ever a time to allocate a fair piece of the financial pie to teachers, the time is now. We are working overtime, not because we have to, but because we want to, and because the kids who comprise this community, who will become adults in this community one day, are worth it, and it's what makes this district so great.
When our negotiating team asks you to explain your rationale for your contract offer, and they are met with silence or less than 100% transparency, it does not create a healthy relationship. When you tell our negotiating team that your reasons for not giving us a similar salary ratio as before because things are complicated, that doesn't sound like a relationship. It sounds like parenting. It sounds like something a parent tells a child when they don't want to talk anymore.
All we're asking is that when times are good, we share in that as well, because we certainly sacrificed when times were bad in this district.
Please instruct your negotiating team to come to an agreement that reflects your appreciation for our continued commitment to our students. Please ask them to look at the numbers and see that we're not asking for more of the pie. We're simply asking for the same percentage.
We need your negotiating team to come to the table and talk to our negotiating team with transparency and trust. Explain to us why a spending ratio that worked before isn't good enough now. Talk before it's too late.
In addition, despite the lowered raise, the Huntington Beach Union High School District still claims that it pays its teachers more when compared to other local districts. For more on this story, visit BarronNews.com.